Okay, now let's look at some mixed exercise problems. Okay, so when you do factorize, first thing, guys, what we encourage you to do is look for a common factor. Okay, so but in this case, you look for a common factor, then check whether you can factorize further. So for the examples below, it might be trinomial. It's trinomial, but it can be any kind of factorized. Okay. So if you look at this, so what is the common factor here? So the common factor here, there's 2 there, and there's 2 there, and there's 12. I can put my common factor 2. So bracket, I'll have 2 bracket x squared x, which is the same as 1x minus 6. Then you ask yourself, is this really fully factorized? This is not fully factorized because I can still do trinomial. And remember, trinomial, you keep your 2 there and your 2 brackets, you'll have your x there and your x there. Now, I need 2 numbers. When I multiply them, I get -6. But when I add the 2 numbers, I get +1. When I minus, I get +1. Okay. So let's see. If I use 6 times 1, 6 times 1 is a factor of 6. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5, not 1. I have to minus to get the middle term. So 6 and 1 doesn't work. How about 3 times 2? Because 3 times 2 is 6. But 3 minus 2, I get 1. So I can use 3 and 2. So I'll put 3 there and then 2 there. Then what about the signs? So for the signs, the bigger number between 2 and 3 take the sign of the middle term. So the bigger number is 3. This will be plus and there will be minus. Okay, good. It's important that you do your factors to check that. Okay, if you get used to this, it's easy just to put the numbers and do it from your brain, just like that. Let's look at the second example. I have x cubed, 7x squared, 12x. Then what is the common factor there? So that I can pull x as the common factor. So x bracket x squared 7x plus 12. Okay. Then can I stop? No, because I can still factorize that further by doing trinomial. So still keep your x very important. Remember, trinomials, 2 brackets. So I need the factors of 12 to add up and give me 7. That will be 3 and 4. That is x, and it's plus everywhere. I can just put plus, plus. Okay, good. I hope that makes sense and you really understand. Good.